The Digital Library, National Association for the Blind Delhi, supported by Spirotech, is delighted to announce the availability of the book At Home by Bill Bryson. In this book, the beloved Bill Bryson gives us a fascinating history of the modern home, taking us on a room-by-room tour through his own house and using each room to explore the vast history of the domestic artifacts we take for granted. As he takes us through the history of our modern comforts, Bryson demonstrates that whatever happens in the world eventually ends up in our home, in the paint, the pipes, the pillows, and every item of furniture. Bryson has one of the liveliest, most inquisitive minds on the planet, and his sheer prose fluency makes At Home one of the most entertaining books ever written about history of the way we live. The recording of this book has been specially made for our visually impaired friends in an audio-accessible format. To access the book, kindly register on NAB Digital Library. You can listen to this book on Shravan IVR-based audio library by making a phone call to the mobile number 080-711-75215. For more information, please contact us on mobile number 921-231-9671 or on email ID library@nabdelhi.in, that is library@nabdelhi.in.